Okay, so we're here with the XL 3-drawer car seat. Anyone that loves working with their cars, mechanical bits and bobs, but hate breaking their backs, this is the one for you. Let's have a look. Woo! Package nice and tight, no waiting space. Woo! I'm looking forward to it. Let's have a look. Ah, well packaged. Let's try and assemble these wheels. You might be a professional, but I'm a professional plonker, yeah? Don't put all 4 wheels on first. You put the 2 back on and you realise this beautiful compartment needs to slop on there. Then you can pop your bolts on, nice and easy. What are you looking at me for? Compartments on, bosh, job's done. All right, so let's look at the 3-drawer system that they're talking about. Apparently they're using strong steel and reinforced ball bearings to keep your drawers smooth and well operated. Beautiful for your bits and bobs. Right. Here, 3 holders for your cans, your drinks, or whatever you need. The mechanics out there and the cowboys out there will love. A little area to put your silicone. Handy bits that you're using for the job. A beautiful nice compartment for your storage. Overall, pretty high quality product. The cushioning and softness on here, beautiful. It doesn't feel too thin or it doesn't feel too cheap where it feels like it's gonna go away. For a great price, it's a pretty high quality product. Like and subscribe for some more videos. We'll show you some more bits that we have at Tools to Trade.